Ayaw dyan na.
Kaya na magalit, mag-record. May camera boy. Tickets. Sam, gusto mo zipline?
Ay, dili ko eh. Nana ako.
Zipline tayo. Ha, sige na. Okay, maganda sa camera.
A few moments later.
Gusto mo malaban takos? Takos, lami jud ko kitay tapon dira ba? Sarap pun.
Tapos, paano na lang kung mag-roller coaster tayo?
Ba't ang tagal nito?
Kasi skywalk.
Ayoko tong skywalk ko eh. Skywalk man eh. Cops, wag. Wag mo ako try ba?
Rish! Nahadlo ka mo pa.
Ayaw dyan na.
Nanggahi! Asa, mabigat ka. Masakit na yung shoulders ko.
Hindi ko kaya to eh. Ayaw ko magtingin.
Look,
ang stress.
I'll go first.
Ayaw dapat.
Let's do it.
If you're planning for your travel, make sure to book your activities through Klook and use my code TRAVELWITHMIAKA to get 5% off on selected activities and hotels. And don't forget to follow Travel with Miaka for more travel tips, food finds, and family adventures.